Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and watching CGHOW video. Today I created this space effect in UE5 Niagara and I'm creating from scratch so you can understand better, and if you have query, just comment below the video. And if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it and let's start this.
CGHOW. CGHOW.
First of all, subscribe my YouTube channel and also click on bell icon so you will receive all new video notification.
I have found this cool reference from ArtStation. Alexander created this. It looks cool. I will create a tutorial on this. And this thing, this black thing looks like a sphere, 3D sphere, but I will not use any mesh for this tutorial. I'll just try to create that all from the sprite. So let's start this. So I will create a material. Radial, and I'll take a radial. And then I'll make a dynamic parameter for the density. Okay. And then I'll take the particle color and I will make this transparent particle. Maybe 2 seconds. And then connect it here. Okay, very simple material. So let's save this. And I'll create an instance of this, and in the instance, I will change the material property from translucent to additive. So I can have the additive also. So this will be mi radial additive. And this is actually m radial translucent. Okay. So translucent we need because it has also black color. Otherwise, all the things are bright, so we can use additive all places. But here we need this translucent. Okay, so let's create a, oops, not this. Let's create a emitter. Effects. I'll just turn off my post process in here. Okay. So we have this, and in the reference, you'll see. Let's start from the center, not from the outside. So first we have a black core, and that has a purple edge. So that means that purple edge is behind the black. So black is topmost. So okay, so let's use that material, that translucent one, and I will use that here, and I will delete all these things. And I'll use the burst, and we have this one part. Let's make this scene little lighter. It's too dark, maybe this much. Okay, so I have one particle, and I don't want this, and the size should be like 50 around. Okay, and should be like infinite and just spawn once. We cannot see our particle although, so let's try to increase it, or maybe I'll make the alpha high. Oh, accidentally deleted the sprite. So yeah, now you can see that. So we can make it black. We don't need rotation, although doesn't matter because it is round shape. So let's make it 100. So we have a black. Okay, it's pretty sharp. So you can use the dynamic parameter to make it sharp, to make this density maybe 10 or 25, or you can also use this opacity. So if it is 1, you can increase the density from here, okay, like this much. Okay, then we have behind that a purple layer that is also faded, sharp. So this is my black coal, or you can say dark coal. Then after this, copy this, paste it here. This is my purple ring. It seems ring here because you can just see the edges, but because it is behind the black, that's why it seems ring. So in this one, if I make this purple like this, you can see, and if I increase the size little bit, and I will in the black one, I'll decrease little this thing. So we have this. So we have black, then purple, and then after purple we have a white layer that is very soft and glowing. So copy this and paste it. So we have white glow. So in this one, I'll make this white and increase the size little bit. And the shorting, if this is 0 white, so this purple should be 1 and then black should be 2. Okay. So in the white, I don't need that much density. It should be very soft, a little bigger. Okay, like this. So after white, we have this thing, this flare. So we copy this and paste it again. And this is our flare. And in this one, I'll just use the non-uniform size and increase the size on the axis. And we need very soft with this much. You will see this quite big. Actually, what I'll take the multiple particles, maybe 5, and then in the size, I will break this X and Y and then multiply with execution in there. The same I'll copy and paste on Y. So the difference you cannot see now, but I can increase this like this much. Turn this off. Now it looks like that. Okay. We will do some pause to merge it to make it like this. And after that, we have the, and there is a little pulsating in these all things that we can do. So, like you have this one, this black one. So you just need to take the size, and in the size, just take the uniform, and in uniform, just take the sign, and make this one, and you can make this 1.1, 0.1, and I'll make this 3 and 0.02, like that. Very well. Yeah, this much is enough. Then just copy this and paste it on all these emitters. So we have this one. Okay. And I will slightly offset in this one. This so it will not match with that. Okay. You'll find that. Uh, actually 1.2, 0.01. Very fine. Okay, so we have this. Now we need these things, these rotating swirl and then particles. So for that swirl effect, we need to make a material M swirl. We need a aura texture, and then vector to radial, and to fix the same, use this level here, and then this should be swirl. So I will add a radial here that will swirl it. Okay, and you can make the radius little higher, 0.8 maybe, and density maybe 5, 8, and then you can multiply it here to make the field more, maybe 2. Okay, so we got this. Then I will take again a radial, and this time I will multiply this. Oops, not normalize, multiply this with this. So we will have just the, these things. Cool. And that's what we needed. We can also add it tiling. So basically, if I take a dynamic parameter, this is our tile, this is our swirl, and this is our density. So tile, swirl, and density. Okay, that's it. And then I take the particle color, which will go here directly. One more thing I forgot to do. I'll do that. Not in this one. This should be not in this, but here these white layers should be additive. So in this one, I'm using the transparent material. I need this additive instance. Okay, and also in the layer. Okay. The next is swirl. So I'll just copy this white below, paste it here, and this is the swirl. And we will use that material here. So if I isolate this, and we have dynamic parameter. Let's adjust the default setting. Tile should be 1, swirl should be 0.2, density should be 1. We have this. So if you increase this swirl, we have this thing, and this is our tiling. So 1, 2, or 1.5. Okay, and this is our density. Make it sharp or fade it. I think this thing is 1 to 2. I will put the random values 1 to 2. Okay. Then it is actually the Z facing thing. So custom alignment, custom facing vector, and here take the align to orientation. Instead of X, take the Z. We have this. If I increase the size, maybe 300, or maybe 1,000. 1,000 okay. Okay. And it will rotate. So I'll take the rate here. We'll put the random value, maybe 100, maybe 100. Wrong axis, minus 100. Minus 100. Yeah. We need multiples, maybe 5, 2, 3. This thing, rating thing, I will use the random from 1 to maybe 0.5, 5 to 1. And if you see here, there's this outer is very faded and purple, then there's a pinkish, very little bright. And yeah, so let's make it purplish. Oh, copy and paste. Actually, I do it random here. Yeah, cool. So it has this random, and then I'll copy the swirl again and paste it here. And this time I will decrease the size, and you can also randomize the size. So instead of 800, 600, and 800. And in this second one, I'll use the size maybe 500 and 200, and I'll make this pinkish pink and little bright, maybe 5. Then one thing more what I'll do, I'll copy this wheel, and this will be my swirl below. And in this one, I'll just use my additive material. This one. Okay, so I need this thing. And the new parameter, we have just this density. I'll use 0.5. Yeah, there is no margin from here. We can use the size little more, maybe this much. Yeah, and the swirl size of this pink one maybe 600, maybe 5. Cool. And now we need some particles rotating around it. So you can just take this little white glow. Okay. So this will be particle vortex. So in this one, what I'll do actually, I'll take the cylinder shape, and then I'll take the cylinder, and I'll spawn multiple particles. Actually, you mean spawn rate, not this rate. Maybe 50, and spawn size maybe 5 for now. I will randomize it, and the height of the cylinder will be 0 or maybe 10, and then the radius should be match the whole area like this much, and then take the vortex velocity, and random value on the negative, maybe minus 300, minus 1000, or maybe 10,000, minus 5,000. Okay, now it has, these particles have little random color. So I'll take the blue color maybe, and then I will randomize it little bit. I will try 50, maybe 100, and then the size maybe 1 and 8, and then the particle size. Yeah, we can use twinkling. So I will use the edge normalized here, and then I will use it 0.5, and then randomize the time. So 0.1 and 1. Okay. Cool. Increase the particle range and then cool. And then I will copy this, and this will be my strings vortex. So in this one, nothing special, just make it velocity, and in the size, I will use the random non-uniform 1, 2, 5, and maybe 50, like this. Response rate maybe back to 50, and the brightness maybe 50 and 200. And this should be little more faster because these are strips, supposed to be faster. Cool. So now we can use some post in here. So if I drag this post here and turn my post, so basically we can go to global, and oops, not this one, the color grading, global, and the contrast, and use this. and the highlight this much. And in the global, I'll use some saturation. And these two vortex, I'll increase the shape height little bit, maybe 50. And, okay. And then in the swirl, this first one, this purple one, should have little more opacity. Opacity, maybe 1.5. Yeah, that's cool. So looks quite similar, but not exactly because reference looks really cool. But this is something that we have. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Keep learning and bye. One more thing I will do quickly. One more thing. So basically, flare. I'll copy this, paste it here. Um, I'll use just one particle, and in the size, I will okay, here, reset these things, and I'll use non-uniform. Reset all these things. So basically, if I isolate this, we have this thing. Okay, and I will make it little brighter side. Yeah, now looks better. So that's it. That's final output. And I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Click on